Let me tell you how I banked my first $250,000 in business and how you could do the same even if you don't own your own business. So here's the number one mistake that people usually make when it comes to money. They think that they get money in, let's just use a round number of $10, and they owe $9 to expenses, and they consider the $1 left that they have as profit. It's very hard to hang on to that $1 because usually we don't just owe $9. Usually people are living beyond their means and they're spending beyond their means. Not only do they not have $1 left at the end of their expenses, but they're usually even in debt, some sort of credit card debt or some sort of line of credit with their bank. I want to help you change this negative cycle that you've been in with something called profit first. I'm about to change your life. Remember, this is going to help you get to the $250,000, okay? Instead of looking at your expenses and saying, I have 10, pay everybody, and then you're left with 1, you actually want to take your 1 first. $1 right away, and you pay yourself first. You open up a separate bank account, and the very first transfer that you're transferring is that $1 to your profit account. And then with everything that you have left, with the 9, then you go and pay everybody. It ensures that you have your profit built into your revenue. A lot of companies, a lot of people for that matter, make the mistake that they go through the entire year, and at the end of the year, they look at their balance sheet to see if they made a profit or not. Profit is not, it's not something that happens. Profit is a habit. You have to get in the habit of taking your profit and paying yourself first. And then you might be asking right now, well, very nice for you to say, Beryl, what happens if I am losing money right now? How do I take a profit? I have bills, I have debt, I have all these things. How do I take money? Making less money than my life or my business right now is costing me. And the answer is very simple. Once you get in the habit of taking your profit first, you will learn to live on the rest of the pie. You're gonna spend differently. You're gonna push off expenses. By living on this profit first model, you will be pushing money into your profit account, and you will be also cognizant of your expenses, and you'll make sure that you are balancing much better and budgeting much better because you have less to work with. I hope this brought you value. If this is your first time here, it's been a pleasure spending time with you. My name again is Beryl Solomon. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a like, please leave me a comment, and thank you for spending this time with me. I drop these videos daily, and I'll see you tomorrow.